Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma TR4755i. I want to show you ways to scan documents with this printer to your computer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your laptop are connected together via Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi direct or with a USB cable. In this case, we connected both via wireless network. And to scan document, the first way to scan document, we want to use window scanner. So go to Window Start, then go to Settings, go to Printers and Scanners. Then you need to add a device. After you add a device, you need to look for Canon TR4700 series on your computer. So select on the printer, select Scanner Settings, then open Scanner. Then go on the left side to select the scanner. It will show you Canon TR4700 series. Then put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner, or if you want, you can scan using ADF. So put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner face down. Make sure the document starts from the top left. This is A4 paper. Then close the cover. Then select source. You can select flatbed if you want to scan using flatbed, or you can select ADF, or you can also leave it in auto. So from source, we can select flatbed, feeder, or auto configured. Auto configured, it will pick the document from wherever you put it. So we want to select flatbed, file type PNG, show more, resolution 300 dpi, and we want to save the file in document. So you can select save the file. When you select the file, it takes you for you to select wherever you want to save the document. So want to save it in the document, then select folder. You can select preview for you to see the document before you start scanning. But I want us to select scan. So select scan. So the document is scanning. Scanning. On the laptop, it will also show you scanning. So the document is scanned, then you select view. This is the document we scanned. It's already saved to the computer. To print it out, you select Ctrl P, or you go on top and select print icon. Select print icon. Then you select number of copies. Select layout, portrait. This document we scan is one-page document. Then select print on one side. Then color, you can select black and white or color. So the document is in color. Select more settings. The size A4, scale fit to the printable area, one page per sheet. Then select print. This is the document we scanned and printed it out. Another method to scan document, for example, go to Window Start, select the settings, select printers and scanners, then select on the printer, then select on the scanner, then you select more devices and printer settings, select on it. You see the image of the printer on the laptop. Then look from the list and select Canon TR4700 series. Select on it. Then right-click the mouse. Set what is printing. Set as default printer. Print preference. Printer properties. Delete print queues. Start scan. So put the document you want to scan. Now I want us to scan using ADF. So put the document you want to scan on the ADF with this area you want to scan facing up. Then select Start Scan. Then you select File, Documents, Source, Feeder, one-sided feeder, scan one side. Paper type, scroll down to select A4 paper. Color format, we want to scan it in color. File type, scroll down to select PNG. Resolution 300 dpi, then you select Scan. So the document is scanning. The next thing to do is select Show More. Then it gives you option for you to select Browse, where you want to save the document and how you want the document to save. You want the document to be saved in the date taken and name. Then you select OK. Then select Import. So this document is imported to the computer. If you want to see this document we scanned, then we want to close this. Go to File Explorer. Then go to Documents. Then you type the date the document was scanned. So I'm going to type the date. Then it will show you documents scanned, and also you need to check the time. This is the document, the first on the list. Double click it to open. This is the document we scanned. This document, you can print it out. Select Print, or you select Control P. Control P. Then select Correct Printer, Orientation, Portrait. Select the size as A4 plain paper. More settings. Print on one side. I want us to print this grayscale, black and white. More settings. Borderless printing is on. You can also switch it off. So borderless is on. Then select OK. Then select Print. This is the document we scanned and printed it out. Another method to scan documents is for us to use Canon Print app. So close the printer. This printer and laptop both are connected together using Canon Print app. This is Canon Print app, and the printer is showing us online. From Canon Print app, it will show you the ink level. Now, to scan documents, put the document you want to scan face down. I prefer to use Canon Print app because it will give you option for you to scan multiple pages as you like. So from this app, you select Scan. Then go on the right side, select the document. If you are scanning photo, then you select Photo. So we want to scan document. How do you want to scan it? Flat bed, flatten. Then select the size as A4. Resolution 600 dpi is maximum, 300 dpi is selected. Then you select Scan. So the document is scanning. This is the document we scanned. If you want to scan next page, open the glass scanner and stick the document you want to scan face down. So this is the next page you want to scan. Like I said, you can do this as many times as you like. So select next plus next scan to scan the next page. Then select the same features. Then you select scan. So it's scanning the second page. So these are documents we scan, 2-page document. To save this document, then you select save. Then go on the left side and select document. You can give the file name, then select save. So the document is saved and it will show you the document is saved in the document file. Then you select OK. If you want to print this document out, you select document print, then go to documents, then type the date document was scanned or the name you saved the document with. So this is the document we scanned. Then go on the right side, select the paper as A4. A4 orientation portrait. We want to print all. Duplex printing. Select print on two-sided. Print quality auto. Borderless printing is off. We can switch it on. Borderless is off. 1 page per sheet. We want to print it in black and white, grayscale, front tray. Then use up or down to select number of copies. Then select print. So single page was printed out. If you want to print it two-sided, then you need to select document print. Select document print. Then go to the documents and type the document name. Select on the document. Select open file. The document is opening. Then go on the right side, select duplex printing. So duplex printing, select duplex printing, two-sided print, long edge. Then select print. So we're going to print this document two-sided. This is the document we scanned and printed it out double-sided in black. So these are ways to scan documents from this printer to your computer. Thank you very much indeed.